Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove watermark from our video using CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create new project on CapCut. I'm going to select new project and then I'm going to choose the video from my gallery. For example guys, I'm going to remove watermark from this video. Okay, and I'm going to add this video to my project. Okay, this is the watermark we're going to remove. And to remove watermark from this video, we need to duplicate this video. Click on the video and then scroll all the way to the right until you find duplicate option. Wait, this one. Okay, and now the video has been duplicated and we're going to make it as an overlay. Tap on the video and then we're going to find the overlay menu. Okay, this one. Click on overlay and then we can make the second video align with the first video. Alright, and we're going to use mask to cover the watermark. You can tap on your second video and then go to the mask. Okay, this is the mask and choose the shape of the mask you want to apply, and I'm going to choose the circle mask, and then you can adjust the size like this and take another part of your video to cover the watermark. I want to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover the watermark. I'm going to click on the check mark and then I'm going to cover the watermark with this mask. Okay, now the watermark has been covered, and to make it more natural, I'm going to apply adjustment to the mask. You can tap on the mask and then go to the adjust menu. Where is it? Okay, right here. Here we can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, or the grabs to make it more natural. And I think I'm gonna go with the brightness. I'm going to adjust the brightness. Okay, adjust the brightness a little bit. I'm going to increase it. Okay, and it looks better than before, right? Okay guys, and this is the final result. If your watermark is moving, you can use keyframe to make the mask follow the moving watermark. You can use this keyframe feature to cover the moving watermark. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.